Do you have issues with keeping your trades open? You try to micromanage your trade, you try to get in and out as fast as you can, you try to get out of the trade at the optimal level all the time, and you're kind of tired of it after all. Well, today's video will address that and how to fix it. Here we have our bedroom. It's pretty good. So one TV here. I really like this hotel because they have the view on the river. The river here in Bangkok is like, it sucks, it's like brown and everything, but still, it's nice view. Here we go. We have a bathroom here. My girlfriend doing these videos now, these reviews. TV here, and we have a nice kitchen. It's pretty good. Not amazing, but it's pretty decent. Now you've got the Thai version.
ตรงนี้นะคะเป็นห้องน้ำนะก็
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Bangkok once again in Thailand. Been here for a while now, but it's a good place to be. I'm staying in the river here at the Chatrium Hotel. Quite nice place to be. But today we're going to address this topic of people who want to micromanage their trades, or they try to get out of the trades at the optimal level all the time. Pretty much everyone has experienced that before. You get in the trade goes into profit really fast, you have a big profit in your account, you want to close the trade right there, but because you set to take profit to a different level, or because you are not sure if price will go more into your favor, like a bit of greed, you keep your trade open. Then a few hours later, price comes back down, and you're stuck with just a small profit compared to that big profit you could have had before. Now, if you want to seize that, you get this on a weekly or monthly basis for sure in your account. You might be tempted normally, of course, to modify your trades, to micromanage them. You might be tempted to look at the charts many times a day to be able to pick the optimal level to get out at. Or you might be tempted to, if your strategy says you have to hold a trade for X number of days, that you want to close it right now. Get that profit and get out of the trade. Now, the reason I'm doing this video is because just recently I had the same experience. I had a trade yesterday that was in big profit, about like 12% profit in my account, my overall account in crypto. And that was a really, really good trade. I was really happy about it. And yesterday I got the thought that I should get out of the trade because that was a big profit for me. 12% is really massive on one trade. That's a lot, right? And it was a low risk trade, but still it was a crypto that really pushed and went really up. And then I said, well, okay, I can close it. But the strategy I'm trading asked me to keep the trade open for until Monday. So 2 days later. And so I didn't. I said, oh, I won't close it then because I prefer to follow my strategy compared to just close the trade and be done with it and not respect the plan. Now today, when I look at the P&L, price was down about half of that. So we were at 12% and now I'm like at 5% profit. Still a lot, right? But I lost 6 or 7% overnight on that trade. And of course you feel bad when you see this, right? But let me explain why that's not a good thing and why you should not micromanage your trades or get out of trades earlier than you thought. Or get out of trades earlier. Alright, so the first reason why I'm not micromanaging my trades or closing trades early or whatever that is because I don't want to get caught up in looking at the charts all day 24/7 and going to my screens every couple of hours to look at my trades. I could do it, right? But that would be counterproductive. My goal with trading is to be able to have freedom. I want to be able to travel, go to different places, be able to enjoy my day, work on other projects. I don't want to be there to look at my trades all the time. And that's why that idea of me trying to close trades early, if I do it once, I want to do this all the time forever after. And that's a big problem. Now the second thing is, instead of focusing on micromanaging my trades, being there all the time to look at the charts, I focus on creating a better system. If my system is making a loss this time, or if I lose half my trade on this account because I didn't close it early, or because I didn't play with it, or because I wasn't there on the chart to look at it all day, then I gotta work on my system. Maybe my system long term is better, and better than closing these trades early. Maybe my system, I can make it in a way that is optimized for these times. Or if I know that Monday tends to be better, this time might be worse, but most times will be better, and that's what counts. So instead of putting all your energy into managing this one trade right now, put your energy into becoming a better trader. Put your energy into creating a good system or improving your system that will perform better over time. Okay, one last thing I just had to put this here quickly is what you don't see doesn't affect you. In the sense that if you're there, you watch your P&L all the time, like 5 times a day, and you see these ups and downs. You see it's $600, $300, $200, $1,000, $700, now $200 again. If you see this all the time, 24/7, throughout the day, then you'll be affected by it. You want to close your trades faster, you want to be able to tweak it, you will be afraid of losing profit in the trade, and that's a big issue. But if you don't see that, if you look at the trades or the charts once a day, look at your P&L once per day maximum, then it won't affect you because you're not looking at it. You're not seeing all the difference in profit. Now think about if you see these numbers on your screen, right? The P&L, the profit going up and down, compared to looking at the chart. You see price is here, you entered here, and that makes it that you missed a bit of a move. Now the first way, right, the P&L, numbers, is a lot more emotional. The second way, the charts, where you got in, where you got out, is a lot more systems based and analysis based and quantitative based compared to your P&L. And that means that you can know there from the chart when you got in, when you got out, how you can improve because you missed that big move, what changes you can make. But the P&L, the ups and downs, don't really matter. They're not there to do anything better. They might help you get out trades faster, save a bit of money that way. But long term, you'll be always stressed out. Your system won't work because you don't spend time on it. You'll be stuck in always like constant struggle and stress. And that's just not good for any trader or anyone, pretty much. So I really hope this video helped you at least to kind of solidify things, understand why you should not close your trades early, or why you should not try to tweak your system while you're trading live. How this makes sense, let me know your thoughts below in the comment section. Maybe that kind of person who likes to manage your trades really tight, you like to be there on the chart to look at every single move, try to pick the top all the time or the bottom all the time. If that's you, let me know in the comment section below. And you might still believe in doing that, but you'll still have time that this is not the best way to do things in trading, in my opinion, and you'll see that things are much better done in a different way. If you want to connect with me, feel free to send me a message on Instagram. I'll put it here on the screen, the username. You can just follow me there on Instagram. Be very careful of all these fake accounts that are coming up on social media. Plenty of them pretend to be me. They are not. I have only one account there. So follow this one over here. Give a like to that video if you liked it today. And I'll catch you back here in the next video pretty soon. Ciao.